Pagod. Specific mo ng protection. Real style. Pawing from love.
Yeah.
Sige, sige, go na
Send regards.
Okay, let's start.
4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Then, you from?
Introduce yourself. Yes, sir.
Intro muna tayo. Para
Picture po muna.
1, 2, go. Photo muna, photo. Sophia, ano, na po nag-intro.
Intro po.
PR Candel. Tapos yung flag, medyo igigit mo sa may, yan.
Yan, yan. Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, and go.
Sophia Nicole Arcangel from the beautiful island of the Philippines.
One more.
One more? Take
One more.
You may point.
Right na ba?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Sophia Nicole Arcangel from the beautiful island of the Philippines.
Okay. Simulan na natin ang pagkinanday. Go, Adam! Ay, ikaw dito na, Ling. Teka,
Okay. Sophia, ano yung nilook forward mo sa competition sa Thailand? And sa travel mo rin?
Since it's my first time going out of the country, I look forward sa experience ko po sa Thailand. And of course, the sisterhood and the pageant itself, the Miss International Queen. So I'm just really excited and happy to experience the sisterhood that I will be meeting there. And the foods, of course, and the tourist spots in amazing Thailand.
So, Sophia, bale, if bibigay ni Lord yung title sa'yo, it's gonna be sandwich victory for the Philippines. So, ano yung mga paghahanda na ginawa mo for this competition?
We took our preparation very seriously po, and we have to make sure that I am physically, mentally, and spiritually ready for this. And maraming dapat abangan. My costume will be something in the international stage. And of course, the evening gown competition, you have to wait for that.
May pressure ba on your part, team? May mga title holders na rin tayo na nanalo sa Bangkok, and then we played prominently in the back here. So, ano yung game plan mo?
Okay, knowing that our representatives of Miss International being yearly are doing very great in Thailand, it's really a pressure for me, and I really have to make sure that I will do my best in Thailand. So something that I will make sure is to make all Filipinos proud, no matter what. And of course, hopefully bring back the crown to the Philippines, the fourth crown to the Philippines.
Ang mga hour pa, hindi ba?
Someone that made a really big impact in me is Queen Kevin Balot, because she was the first ever Filipina to be crowned as Miss International Queen, and I was 14 years old that time. That is actually the when I started transitioning, and at the age of 17, I joined pageants because I'm really inspired by those transgender beauty queens that we have in the Philippines. So those are the queens. She is the queen that I look up into, and of course, all of them, they are doing a lot.
Sophia, can you share us, if pwede lang, kung sino ba yung designer or designers for the national costume in India? Putting in for your designer.
I actually didn't seek for another help of designers. The same designers as in the national competition. My costume will be was made by Alta Costura by Joan Mendoza. the same designer of my costume in the nationals, and Chica Estiva, of course, for the evening gown.
Have you talked or have you asked advice from maybe representative?
Yes po, actually nakakasama po kami sa mga events and binibigyan po nila ako ng advice to enjoy the moment here, there in Thailand. So that is something that I really look forward into, and our previous queens are really nice to me and they are supporting me in this journey.
Yeah, how competitive will you be for the upcoming competition, considering that you do so well in that pageant?
Yes, Filipinos are really big pageant fans. So I really have to do my best and pumunta tayo doon para manalo, not just to compete. So gagawin ko po yung best ko and I will really compete really well in Thailand.
Si Lars, advice yung predecessor mo, what was the most meaningful advice you got from your predecessors or even from Michelle about your parade in Miss International Queens?
So si Lars po, ang naging advice niya sa akin is to enjoy the moment there and yung sisterhood daw po, because that is something that will never fade even if the pageant already ended. So, ayun po yung nilook forward ko, yung roommate, magiging ka-roommate ko, sino ba, and of course, all of the girls there.
As of the moment, ilan na ang official candidates for the Thai?
23 po kami lahat. Yes.
So it's possible na mga application ng ka-roommate sa Philippines. So, aside from that, syempre, ano yung feeling na you're going to Bangkok after what happened the big last time with the Philippines community in Bangkok? So, wala pang pangamba sa Bangkok?
Actually, wala po. And actually, Saruda, the candidate of Miss International Queen Thailand, is a good friend of mine. We are actually talking on our socials. And wala na pong kaba and walang pangamba because Thai people are really sweet. And they are really welcoming now to all Filipinos despite of what happened last few months. So, ayun po.
Aside for the ground, what do you forward advocate
Sorry po.
aside for the ground, what do you look forward to gain in learning?
Of course, I'd like to gain friends, sisterhood, experiences, since it's my first time going out of the country. So, yun po yung nilook forward ko, and to expand my capacity as a queen para po mai-represent ko yung Pilipinas ng maayos sa international. So that is something that I look forward, gaining more confidence and empowerment.
What are the Filipinos values you want to share sa mga candidates yung sa What are the values or culture and solutions?
So the values that I'd like to bring in the international stage is the bayanihan. Yes, bayanihan, of course. Kasi since we are on in a one stage, in a one platform, I'd like to be, we all like to be the force of transformation. So doing bayanihan towards the pinnacle of equality, we could be able to achieve that, and we could be the force of transformation on our own countries.
Okay, so far, what do you consider your most driver or passion period since nanalo ka na?
So of course the crown po and the name. That is what I value so much because before I was just ignored by many. No one believed in me. And since I won the Miss International Queen Philippines, marami na po yung natutuwa, nagagalingan. at nilulook up po ako. So that is something that I value. Those people who value me as a queen, as a person. And I appreciate those people behind the success. Those people who never left me po since the very beginning.
Ano yung pinakamalaki or pinakamahalaga weapon na nagagawa ng Thailand para matuloy yung
I think something that I should bring there is my confidence. Because kung may confidence ka, mag-excel ka sa lahat ng bagay. Kung maniniwala ka sa sarili mo, that you will never doubt yourself, your capacity, that you will never set boundaries on what you can do, you can achieve your dreams.
What sacrifices have you made for your preparation here internationally?
Sacrifices that I made, lack of sleep, I think. Because I undergone a lot of things in this preparation together with the Miss International Queen Philippines organization. So wala po kaming tulog. That is something that we have to sacrifice. But I know that soon, magpe-pay off po lahat ng efforts namin and pagpupuyat.
You're wearing a Filipiniana for your departure. For
Yes.
your departure right now. Is there an indication or preview of your styling and your wardrobe choices for the
Yeah.
upcoming competition? And if yes, how collaborative are you for this department for your designers?
So actually, my outfit's there, and this departure look, this was made by local Filipino designers. So we have to love local and love the talents of Filipino designers. So this is made by A.M. Palatino Dalagan, and I chose Filipiniana as a representation of a modern, empowered Filipina that I am.
Paano mo kinivert yung mga negative comments and criticism nung simula nang nanalo ka para kinivert at paano mo kinivert yung positive para maging disconnect mo?
I actually don't conform on other people's critics about me, negative critics. Instead, I make it as a constructive criticism for me to do better in the international stage and prove them all wrong.
Last year kasi sila sa dami taong pasabog. Nangyayari competition, hanggang finals. Ikaw ba meron ka rin magkataong mga pasabog na talagang makapulusyo kung kami kapag umataw ka sa stage?
Of course, meron po. Kaya dapat abangan nyo at intayin nyo po ang journey ko sa Miss International Queen sa Thailand. So stay tuned para po makita nyo at ma-witness nyo kung ano ba yung pasabog na hinanda po ng Miss International Queen Philippines organization.
Sophia, will you share to our followers kung kailan ba the preliminary competition of the finals? Kung kailan sila mag-wait at mag-watch ng competition.
So the preliminary will be held on August 22nd and the finals will be on August 24th. And yung costume po and talent presentation namin is on 17th po. So just follow the Miss International Queen Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube channel so you could be updated about the schedules in Thailand. I think wala po. Well, as of now, wala po. Online. I should be the next Miss International Queen because I am a force of transformation towards the pinnacle of equality. And I will use it and my platform to promote inclusivity and diversity for everybody. Yes.
Philippines na intro.
Intro ulit. Wait lang.
Powerful.
Sophia Nicole Arcangel from the beautiful island of the Philippines.
Pwede class 1 pa. Class 1 ka, last one. One more. 1, 2, 3, go.
Sophia Nicole Arcangel from the beautiful island of the Philippines. Okay po. Apa ganito?
Po namin talaga kasama po yung team niya, and yes, she's very much excited. We are very much excited para sa coronation po natin sa August 24. And let us take, kami po ni Sophia, let us take this opportunity to invite everyone sa schedule po ng events natin sa Miss International Queen. So in behalf of Miss International Queen 2024 pageant, please do watch the major events that's to happen both in Bangkok and in Pattaya. Ang kanya pong national costume round and talent portion would happen on, I think,
August
August 17. That would be in Bangkok Central World. So doon niyo po makikita yung sinabi ni Sophia kanina na bagong ano po natin, idea na national costume that
Yeah.
I think, I may be wrong, pero this national costume na naisip po namin ni Sophia at ng team at ng mga designers niya is a national costume na hindi pa po nagagawa ng kahit sino pong panlaban natin sa ng Pilipinas, may it be cisgender pageant or trans woman pageant po. And then on August 22, ito po ang ating preliminary competition sa Pattaya sa Tiffany Show. So dyan na po yung like the swimsuit competition, the long run competition, and there na rin po nila i-distinguish kung sino yung most likely who would make it to the top 10. And on August 24, please avail your tickets. Please support Team Philippines. Please support MIQ 2024. Because August 24 is the coronation of Miss International Queen 2024. At pinapaabot po ni Mama Lisa Pantos sa kapagpapasalamat sa Team Philippines at sa ating lahat kasi you know we are, ay iko-correct ko na, tayo ang pageant capital of the world or the universe sa Philippines. So, malaki ang pagpapasalamat po ng MIQ organization sa pag-support po natin sa organization. So, yun po. Abangan niyo po yung mga importanteng events po na yun.
So,
Yeah.
Miss Michelle, sa pagdating nyo doon, bukod sa sashing orientation, magkakaroon kayo ng World Equality Forum and Time is Right. Ano ang masasabi mo, bilang representante ng bansang Pilipinas, ano ang mensahe na may babatin mo sa mga nanonood sa atin regarding sa equality? Your thoughts, your views about equality?
So, in the UNCC Forum in Thailand, I'd like to share the situation of the LGBTQIA+ community in the Philippines. And of course, I also like to say something empowering for the LGBTQIA+ community all over the world. I'd like to be the force of transformation that can change the views and opinions about us, and that we are just a liability of this world. Because actually we can contribute so much, and I hope you will be supporting me all throughout this journey, and especially that speech, because that is something that is really important for our community.
If there's one transformation that you would like to advocate for, from what to what is that and why?
So when I was a kid, I was really afraid to show who I really am. So I didn't conform on what other people say about me, even though I am really afraid at first. I was able to make it a transition and transform into who I am now. So that kind of transformation is something that I'd like to tell the world, and especially to the young generations of the LGBTQIA+ community, since our community now is really cruel when it comes to LGBT rights. So that is something that I'd like to be a story of inspiration and motivation to them to not be afraid and be proud of their sexual preference.
So you would like to transform fear to understanding
Yes.
for more international camaraderie. So speaking of transformation, the Miss International Queen Philippines franchise have always received
bashings from, especially yung Miss Michelle, kasi alam mo, kahit sa pageant, malaging may ganyan. But on your third outing in sending a Philippine representative, what is the things that you would like to address?
I think I would not want to consider them po bashing. I think everything po talaga is constructive criticism. So, ano po siya, nakakatulong po talaga siya na maging mas more creative kami, nakakatulong po yung mga gano'n, yung constructive criticism na maging stronger kami as a team na papunta doon, and yun lang, sabi nga po nila siguro, tama nga po, na pag-ibig sa bunga, konting kupal. But yeah, awakening sa amin minsan, kasi sometimes yung mga criticisms naman, tama rin naman po sila. So, kino-correct namin kung ano yung mali sa part po namin, and especially for me, kung ano yung mali ko, kung ano po yung pagkukulang ko, I try to learn from criticisms ko. And of course, mas marami kasi yung phrases kaysa sa criticisms, kaya laban din.
Yes. Laban.
And thank you po in behalf of Sir Tay and then siya, in behalf of the Red Rod, in behalf of all the designers.